Dear students, today we will be discussing about Indian Dental Association. In short, it is called as IDA. So this is a emblem of the IDA. So we will discuss the topic under the following contents: introduction, vision, mission, aims of IDA, membership of IDA, structure of IDA, functions of IDA, and conclusion. So Indian Dental Association was founded in 1946 by Dr. Rafiuddin Ahmad, also known as the father of dentistry in India. He served two terms as the president of the association while actively handling prime duties and responsibilities. Initially, the association was called as the All India Dental Association but was later renamed as Indian Dental Association as is known today in 1966. The IDA is an independent and recognized voice of dental professionals in India. So, this is a picture of Dr. Rafiuddin Ahmad, the father dentist in India. He became the first president of All India Dental Association. In 1920, founded the first dental college of India in Calcutta. The name of the college is R. Ahmed Dental College, which is still functioning, and it is the most prestigious institute in dental fraternity in Calcutta. So, being the flag bearer of oral health, IDA endeavors to meet the public needs and expectations. IDA represents more than 75,000 dental professionals and has 33 state branches and 450 local branches across India. Through its initiatives and campaigns, IDA reaches out to dental students, dental professionals, educators, and the public to safeguard and promote optimal oral health care in the country. It is committed to improving public oral health by promoting advanced science based dentistry that puts the patient at the center through the initiatives in education, research, and development of high standards for dental care in India. Coming to the vision of IDA, the association vision is to improve oral health and quality of life and achieving optimal national oral health for all. IDA also aims to represent the dental profession and support members in the provision of comprehensive and quality oral health care. Coming to mission of IDA, IDA is dedicated to supporting dental professionals in their practice by enhancing and updating their skills and knowledge. The association is the nation's most respected leader in promoting oral health, tobacco cessation, and early cancer detection to improve quality of life and eliminate oral health disparities. IDA's mission is optimal oral health for all Indians. So IDA endeavors to accomplish its mission of oral health for all by supporting new scientific innovations to meet the changing needs of society and promoting the well-being of the nation, coordinating and assisting scientific and research related activities among all sectors of dental community, promoting the timely transfer of knowledge gained from research to improve public health by educating oral health professionals and policy makers, preventing oral diseases by promoting oral health through awareness and dissemination of information, conducting continuing dental education and professional development programs to ensure an adequate number of talented, skilled dental care professionals. Coming to the aims of IDA, IDA affirms that oral health is essential to general health and well-being and thus the need to take action. So IDA aims at nobody suffers from oral diseases which can be prevented and treated. Young children do not suffer from caries. Rural population do not experience poor oral health due to barriers to access to care, shortage of resources and professionals. The elderly and differentially able are treated with special care. Pregnant women receive careful, high quality treatment. The association is confident that rewards in health and well-being can occur for all Indians. However, a number of barriers hinder the ability of Indians from attaining optimal oral health, calling for action framework, a national oral health plan to improve the quality of life and eliminate oral disparities. Like oral health is more than healthy teeth. Oral disease and disorders affect health and well-being throughout life. The mouth reflects general health and well-being. Lifestyle behaviors that affect general health. Safe and effective measures exist to prevent the most common dental diseases like dental caries and periodontal diseases. And there are profound and consequential oral health disparities in India. Scientific research is the key to reduction in the burden of diseases and disorders that affect the face, mouth, and teeth. So, coming to membership of IDA, so anybody during the study of undergraduate, postgraduate, or even after completion of post graduation, they can join the IDA. So, for which they have to pay the membership. So, membership might be annual or lifetime membership. So, annual membership is a dental surgeon who pays annual subscription, that is every year, and silver member, a dental surgeon who pays membership fees for a period of 5 years, and gold member, a dental surgeon who pays membership fees for a period of 10 years, and life member, a dental surgeon who pays a one-time subscription fee. Student member, that is only during the study period, either it may be undergraduate or postgraduate course. So student member, an undergraduate or postgraduate from a dental institution or college. Affiliate member, a dental surgeon residing outside the country, like outside India. Honorary member, a dental surgeon of high scientific and literary standing, having rendered valuable services to the association are nominated by the Central Council. So, for example, so this is my lifetime IDA membership card. So, where they'll give one ID. So, where this is the card issued by the association from the Central Council. And for student members, like during the study, like in undergraduate or post graduation, so IDEA gives scholarships and individual subject topper awards for meritorious students both in UG and PG category. So last year in our department, Dr. Swati, she issued first in the Department of Public Health Industry MDS examinations. After that, she has given the subject topper award in the recently held 40th AP State Dental Conference held in 23rd 24th November 2019 in Guntur. Structure of IDA. The Indian Association adopted a federal structure for the attainment and furtherance of association objectives while fostering democratic organizational setup. The association governed by its constitution, bylaws, and rules and regulations and guidelines. The association's general structure is as like follows. It has a functional structure, governance structure, and administrative structure. Functional structure, that is national body, state branch, local branch. Governance structure, central council, state council, executive council, local executive council. Administrative structure, head office, state office, and local office. Head office is HSG, like that is Honorary Secretary General. State office, Honorary State Secretary. Local office, Honorary Secretary. Central Council. The Central Council shall be the national level governing body of the association having jurisdiction within the territory of India. The Central Council shall control and regulate the management and general affairs of the association. The Central Council shall oversee all state branches, local branches membership of IDA. So this is the IDA logo. The Council of Office Bearers elected as per procedures laid in the Constitution, bylaws, rules and regulations. So it has got a president, president-elect, immediate past president, vice president, honorary secretary general, honorary joint secretary, honorary assistant secretary, treasurer, editor, chairman, CDH, CDE. So honorary secretary general of the IDA Central Council is Dr. Ashok Doble. Our president is Dr. Ravinder Singh. And immediate past president Dr. Janak Raj Sabharwal. So CDH. So CDH is nothing but Council on Dental Health. IDA CDH programs are designed to conduct camps in school children and in remote places where there is no accessibility and availability of dentist, and to render the oral health care treatment to the needy people. Whereas CDE, that is Council on Dental Education. So IDEA CDE program is designed to offer ongoing education which is intrinsic to deliver high quality dental and oral health care services. The primary objective of IDEA CD programs is not just to update the clinical knowledge of dental graduates or practitioners, but also to exercise the degree of care and improve treatment methods that will be beneficial to the patients. Coming to state branches, that is State Governing Council. The state branch is the branch of the association which has its jurisdiction within the state, union territory and shall cover all members of the state or union territory. It shall be made up of various local branches with the same territory and shall have its office headquarters within the same state union territory where the Honorable Secretary, State Secretary resides or practices. Every state branch will act as a coordinating link between head office and local branches. The state branch shall function under the auspices of head office and abide by the rules and regulations of head office which may be recognized for it for breach of rule or condition of the bylaws. So this is the AP State Dental Branch, IDA branch. So state EC office bearers, President, President-elect, immediate President, Vice President, Honorable Secretary General, Honorable Joint Secretary, Honorable Assistant Secretary, Treasurer, Editor, Chairman CDH and Chairman CDE. So IDA AP State Branch, the Secretary is Dr. Ajay Banerjee, President Dr. Satish Babu Gorantla, immediate past President Dr. Ravuri Srinivas Rao. Coming to local branches, so Nellore, ours is Nellore IDA local branch. The local branch is a branch of IDA which is demography located within the boundaries of a town, city, district or municipal corporation. Local executive office bearers includes President elect, President elect, immediate past President, Vice President, Honorary Secretary General, Honorary Joint Secretary, Honorary Assistant Secretary, Honorary Treasurer, Editor, Chairman CDH, Chairman CDE. So local branch office, the branch has jurisdiction within the boundaries of a town, city, district or municipal corporation as per format application. Local administrative officer of the association represented by the secretary. The local office shall function within the framework of constitution as per the direction of head office and the central council. Representative local council, local branch elect members to respective elective council on the basis of the total strength of the local branch as on 31st July as per head office records. And subcommittee, the branch president in constitution with head office appoints number of subcommittees to support the functions of the local executive council. The subcommittee appoints always report to the local executive council through head office. Nellore IDA branch office bearers, president is Dr. Kannan, president elect is Dr. Vijay Shankar Yadav, immediate past president Dr. M.V. Ravindranath Reddy, vice presidents 2 Dr. Rakesh Kumar, Dr. Janakumar Reddy, Honorary Secretary General Dr. V. Vamsi Krishna Reddy, Honorary Joint Secretary Dr. A. Rajshekar, Honorary Treasurer Dr. Krishna Kumar, Chairman CDE Dr. Gauss, and Chairman CDE Dr. S. Srinivasulu. Coming to the functions of IDA. So, IDA holding the annual conference at national level, state level, and at local branch level. In the annual conferences, the participants present scientific papers on various topics, expressing their views and narrate the experiences. To conduct programs for conducting dental education programs, seminars, hands-on training, lectures, and panel discussions. To conduct school dental checkups and dental treatment camps. To conduct dental education programs for school children and the public to create awareness about dental health so that they can improve their oral health. To conduct dental treatment and screening camps in association with the NGOs and other volunteer organizations like Rotary Club, Lions Club in rural areas where there is no accessibility and availability of dentist. An IDA published monthly journals are circulated to all the members at free of cost. So IDA, Indian Association, mainly monitors about the dental practitioners and the availability of dentists to the patients and improve the quality of dental care in India So, through idea programs, the dentists practicing across the country can improve their knowledge so that they can deliver good quality dental care to the people across the country. Thank you.